gates open, they're up and racing. Zin Inner draws for your lead immensely, moving up by the rail, then racing in between runners is entry number 6, Blue Phoenix, running by the rail. Is entry number 5, Shine Again, running alongside. Is Positive Side, then followed by the rail by Arrowhead, running second last. Aiden's Grace and Silent Power is in behind them, heading towards the last 800, immensely in command by about a length and a half. Running in second by the rail, Blue Phoenix, and Dottie outside. Zane Inner running in fourth, Arrowhead. Then comes number 5, Shine Again, as they round towards the last 450. Immensely still out in front by about 2 lengths. Racing in second, Zane Inner, Blue Phoenix, Arrowhead. Then getting closer by the rail is entry number 4, and that Silent Power as they turn for home. Immensely by about a length and a half. Zane Inner about to throw the challenge on the outside. Coming from behind, arriving at the race is Silent Power. And down the stretch they come. Immensely Silent Power. Zane Inner in between runners with 50 meters. It's going to be Silent Power, Zane Inner. Then comes Immensely, Blue Phoenix, and Shine Again for your Pentafecta.
4, 8, 1, 6,
6 and 5.
and 5.